baby keeps trying to lay down on my back.
This is awesome.
That's the current problem.
There's one pony.
Puppy is being.
And there's another. There's
perfect.
Turtle. Puppy's like, what's going on?
Good enough.
April 26th. It really sucks out. And this is like the nicest the weather has been so far.
Yeah.
So these are shelter family. Hello everybody. The shelter is filling up pretty quick, and upstairs is more people's. And they're
Wild pony upstairs.
Yes, Wild Pony, are you there? Okay, yeah, he's up there. Puppy's curled up in her trash bag. Yep, and we're probably gonna stay. Oh, there you go. There's some winds and gusts and clouds. We're literally in the clouds. Bye-bye.